Hello children, chapter 6 multiples and factors. What is factor? Factor are the numbers which exactly divide any given number. For example, 21 is exactly divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. So that 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factor of 21. Okay children? And you know that 1 is a factor of every number. And the greatest factor of the number is the number itself. Exercise 6C. Question number 1. Write down the factors of the following numbers. The number is 44. Children, you know that 1 is a factor of every number. So write 1. The next number is 2. 44 is exactly divisible by 2. 44. This place is ones, this place is tens. Children, on the place of ones, the even number is present so that it is divisible by 2. Okay children? Next is 3. 44 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Write down 4. 3 fours are 12. 14 minus 12 equal to 2. Children's remainder is left, so that 44 is not exactly divisible by 3. 3 is not a factor of 44. Next is 4. 44 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Write down 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Children, there is no remainder left, so that 44 is exactly divisible by 4. So that 4 is a factor of 44. Write 4. Next is 11. 44 divided by 11. 11 fours are 44. 44 minus 44 equal to 0. Remainder is 0, so that 44 is divisible by 11. 11 is a factor of 44. Next is 22. 22, 2s are 44. 44 minus 44 equal to 0. Remainder is 0. So that 44 is exactly divisible by 22. The next factor is 22. Write 22. And the greatest factor of the number is the number itself. That is 44. 44 is the greatest factor of the number. Next question is 90. Children, 1 is a factor of every number. So write 1. Next is 2. 90 is exactly divided by 2. Because one's place पे आपका present है 0 and 0 is an even number. Next is 3. 90 is exactly divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Write down 0. 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Remainder is 0. So that 90 is exactly divided by 3. 3 is a factor of 90. Write 3. Next is 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Write down 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. The remainder is 2. So that 90 is not divisible by 4. 4 is not a factor of 90. Next is 5. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Write down 0. 5 8s are 40. 40 minus 40 equal to 0. The remainder is 0, so that 90 is exactly divisible by 5. Then 5 is a factor of 90. Write 5. Next is 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Write down 0. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30 equal to 0. The remainder is 0, so that 90 is exactly divisible by 6. 6 is a factor of 90. Write 6. Next is 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Write down 0. 7 to the 14. 20 minus 14 equal to 6. The remainder is 6. So that 90 is not divisible by 7. 7 is not a factor of 90. Next is 90 divided by 8. But remainder is left. So that 8 is not a factor of 90. Next is 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Write down 0. 9 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. So that 90 is exactly divisible by 9 and 9 is a factor of 90. Write 9. Next number is 10. 90 is exactly divisible by 10. So 10 is a factor of 90. Next is 15. 90 is exactly divisible by 15. 15 6 are 90. 90 minus 90 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. So that 15 is a factor of 90. Write 15. The next number is 18. 18. Write 18. 90. 18 5s are 90. 90 minus 90 equal to 0. 90 is exactly divisible by 18. So that 18 is a factor of 90. Write 18. Next is 30. 30 3s are 90. 90 minus 90 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. So that 90 is exactly divisible by 30 and 30 is a factor of 90. Okay, children. Next is 45. 45 is a factor of 90. 45 2s are 90. 90 minus 90 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. 90 is exactly divisible by 45. So that 45 is a factor of 90. And the last is 90 is a factor of 90. Children, the greatest factor of the number is the number itself. Okay. Next is 215. 1 is a factor of every number. Write 1. 215 is not divisible by 2 because on the place of ones, even number is not present. Next is 3. 3. 215 is not divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 21 minus 21 equal to 0. Write down 5. 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. The remainder is 2. 215 is not divisible by 3. 3 is not a factor of 215. 215 is not divisible by 4. So that 4 is not a factor of 215. Next is 5. 5 4s are 20. 21 minus 20 equal to 1. Write down 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. 215 is exactly divisible by 5. So that 5 is a factor of 215. Write 5. The next is 43. 43 5s are 215. 215 minus 215 equal to 0. The remainder is 0. That is 215 is exactly divisible by 43. So that 43 is a factor of 215. Next number is 215. The greatest factor of the number is the number itself. 339. 1 is a factor of every number. Write 1. 2 is not a factor of 339 because on the place of ones, even number is not present. Next factor is 3. Next is 130. 339 divided by 113. 113 3s are 339 and 339 minus 339 equal to 0. The remainder is 0, so that 113 is a factor of 339. And the last factor is 339. It is a greatest factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Write 1. 524 is exactly divisible by 2, so that 2 is a factor of 524. Next is 4. 4 is a factor of 524. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Write down 2. 4 3 is a 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Write down 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. The remainder is 0, so that 524 is divisible by 4. Next is 131 is a factor of 524, because 524 is exactly divisible by 131. Next is 262. 524 is exactly divisible by 262, so that 262 is a factor of 524. Next is 524 is a factor of 524. 98. 1 is a factor of every number. 98 is divisible by 2, so that 2 is a factor of 98. Next is 7. 98 is exactly divisible by 7, so that 7 is a factor of 98. Next is 14. Next is 49 is a factor of 98, and 98 is a factor of 98. 1 is a factor of 266. 2 is a factor of 266, because 266 is exactly divisible by 2, and on the place of ones 6 is present, and 6 is an even number. Next factor is 7. Next is 14, 19, 38, 133, and last is 266. Children, 300 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30, 50, 60, 75, 100, 150 and 300, so that all are the factor of 300. Okay children, thank you.